Let's face it, summer heat can be brutal, and those cheap plastic fans just don't cut it anymore. If you care about style as much as comfort, you need to see this. Introducing the Jisulife Ultra High Speed Portable Fan. This isn't just a fan, it's a piece of precision engineering designed for the modern lifestyle. Just look at that sleek, metallic finish and the intuitive digital display. Powered by a 3-phase brushless motor, this tiny beast reaches speeds of up to 15,000 revolutions per minute. That's cooling power you can actually feel. Plus, with 100 adjustable speed levels, you have total control right at your fingertips. Whether you're commuting through the city, at a summer festival, or just enjoying a coffee outdoors, its compact design fits perfectly in your life. And with USB-C fast charging, it stays ready whenever you are. Don't settle for average cooling. Upgrade your summer experience with Jisulife. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to Prime Pick Studio for more tech that upgrades your life.